So looks like XRP here is making a comeback, and there's a huge chance here that XRP will be able to explode because we're forming a really good graph here. So let's check out what actually just happened to XRP and what's gonna happen to XRP, Ripple in the future. But before we start, guys, check out my Patreon. The link of my Patreon will be down in the description. If you do purchase the gold tier, you'll be able to get access to my private crypto Discord server. So this is going to be a really community-driven Discord server, only for the biggest crypto enthusiasts and lovers who are really interested into crypto and who are also on a mission to financial freedom. So on this server, you'll be able to get educated on crypto, to get the latest news about the newest events that are happening on the crypto market. Also, we're going to do some coin analysis, but the whole point of this crypto is to share your information, to really help each other, to educate other people, and to basically try to make this goal possible and try to make our dreams come true. What I'm basically trying to build here is more like a family than a community. This is why I'm super excited to start this journey with you guys. As the group gets bigger and bigger, we're gonna add more stuff here to this group, and of course it's gonna expand so much more. So like I always say, in the end, let's all together go to the moon. Here we are in TradeView. As you can see, we just had another huge pump here for XRP. If we actually go here to the 4-hour chart, we see that we did have like this we did have this beautiful pump here. So we did have some correction, which is really important for this coin, and now we're seeing this pump here. Now this is so crucial. What needs to happen right now, we're gonna see, but there's a chance that XRP should be able to explode and continue to go up. So this is not financial advice, but there is a graph that's been forming here that should indicate that XRP should be going up. So the first thing that's happening here is that we're seeing a cup and handle. So as you can see, I'm just gonna draw here for you guys. Basically, this here is this cup, and this here is the handle that just was right now created. But if we want this graph to actually function, what needs to happen is basically we need to break through this value. So if we do break through this value, what should happen is that it should be from here to here, so the lowest point basically, and then let's just measure it from here to here, basically going back all the way to these values here, to these lows. So $1.6 basically if we have this graph, and if we do break through right now. Now what's a super important thing that's happening to the whole crypto market is that every single coin is basically doing the exact same thing here, where we are kind of making this cup and handle format where we need to break through and continue to go up. We need to break through and continue, except for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is doing its own thing here, but the rest of these guys are basically doing the same thing here, just trying to break through. You can see a giant actually double bottom here happening right now, which is pretty cool. It is pretty cool to see. If we do check it out, even here for XRP, that we are having this double bottom here. So huge double bottom here indicates we're gonna see even more increase, like a lot more increase here. So this is just amazing, and this is basically that increase. So if we go measure from this way to this way, actually right now, we should be able, just because of the double bottom, to go all the way to here. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen. We did retest this area, which was awesome, but hopefully now we should be able to go up even more. Now a little bit of a problem that we're seeing here, at least I'm seeing here, is that the RSI. So the RSI is super overbought right now. So we're at that limit here. We were here before, so the RSI was even more overbought, but we did have a correction because that RSI did go down. But now we're getting, as you can see, now we're feeling some rejection here, and every single coin is feeling that rejection, the same rejection here. Now it all depends. If somehow all of these coins are able to break through, it's going to be amazing. If not, then we're going to see a short-term correction for the whole market, because in the end we have been going up for such a long time. So what could happen is that we could be going down right now if Bitcoin doesn't break the top side. I think Bitcoin should, because Bitcoin does have a lot more RSI of room here to continue. But the problem with Bitcoin here right now is that the volume is just not there. So we're not seeing the volume as of yet here, and that's a big problem. I think the for XRP is going to be the same reason, but you can see here that we just had a lot of selling volume here, but buying volume is also coming, but it's not strong enough to break through this level. What needs to happen, we have to have more buying power than we had here before. As you can see here, we're only halfway there, and even at the 1-day chart, the RSI is super overbought. So that's not a good sign. that should mean that we are going to get rejected. We're going to have a correction here for the price, but I don't fear it's going to be too big of a correction if we do have the correction. So what's probably going to happen is that we are going to go down. If we do go down, we're going to go down all the way just to here. So basically 0.8. So correction there, making the RSI go down all the way to this level, and we had a little bit stabilization. We just have a little bit stabilization. It's gonna make the coin go down even less, like even more actually, and then hopefully we're gonna start to jump up back again. Something like this could happen pretty soon. I believe this is something that should happen here. That we have to have like this correction because of this RSI. Like I said, two possible chances right now. Either we're gonna get super rejected, all the coins are gonna get super rejected pretty soon here, or basically we're gonna break through these values and then stabilize somewhere up here in these lows. So Bitcoin probably is gonna stabilize between the 50 to 48,000. XRP here has a chance actually to blow up even more. So in the short term, we should be able to reach all the way to here. So $1.2, like 1.25 actually, which is pretty cool. So reaching this level here pretty soon and then stabilizing, or we should be able to go up even more pretty easy. So just reaching all the way to these all-time highs, just like what happened here to basically Cardano here, because Cardano did basically just blow up super high right now. If you do measure Cardano's increase ever since we entered this basically bull run, we did increase here by 44%. So XRP, how much did XRP increase? If we do measure ever since this cross here, boom, we're already at 40%. That's the thing. So that should mean that we should be seeing some correction right now. I believe we're going to see that correction a little bit here for the next couple of days, and then we're going to see a lot more buying power. Either that or we're going to explode right now. So it all depends what's going to happen by the end of the day today, because I'm just feeling that we are going to get rejected because we're not seeing enough buying volume, unless of course we do hear some really big news about crypto, some big changes, some, I don't know, a huge announcement like a crypto event or something like that, and then we'll be able to, like I said, skyrocket even more than before. But we're gonna see a really good indicator that we did enter the bull market right now is this cross here. If you do go to the 1 day chart, if you do have my AMAs here, we have the 55 and the 20, this blue and the red line here. So every single time these two crosses, it just indicates it's time to enter like a bull market or a bear market, or basically indicates you when it's time to buy and when it's time to sell. So right now we just crossed for a bullish cross. This indicator that it's time to buy the coin, or basically the coin will continue to go up. And as you can see, ever since we did cross here, we can continue to go up, which is awesome. Just awesome to see. I think this is going to last for a pretty long time here, because if you do look at the last time we made a cross, it was all the way back here in basically in February. So we crossed the bullish cross here, but then the bearish cross was all the way here in May. So there you go. This should indicate that we are going to continue to go up and that we are entering the bull run for all the coins, for the whole crypto market. So I believe good things are going to happen. I believe the whole market will continue to go up. I believe that Bitcoin will reach some astronomical values like $100,000 per Bitcoin, or maybe even $200,000. I can't really estimate that too much, but we are seeing the signals that we are in a bull run. We did it. Let's go. Let's just explode even more. But of course, it's going to take some time for all that to happen here. So XRP still has a lot of good chances to reach some like big values here. It should be able to continue to go up because people are super interested into XRP. There's a lot of money into this coin. Of course, if you do check out like this buying volume and this buying volume, it's just not even the same at all. It's not even close. But like I said, because we were in a bearish market here, we did pretty much get rejected. If we weren't in a bearish market, we would continue to go up like here a lot more. But I think now a lot more people did get into XRP here at these levels probably, and now it should be a good chance for the coin to continue to go up even more later on. So reaching the all-time high, I think it's pretty much possible that we're going to reach the all-time high, but can we go even more than that? Let me just measure it. I'm going to try and measure it. So what I actually do is I take the Fibonacci retracement, we're going to take it from here to here, place right over at this level, and see the next target price. And it says here it should be able to go to 2.8. So if we do have increase by the end of the year, we should be reaching like at least 2.8. So at least 2.8. That's not a lot. I know you guys, I think it's 170% increase from now on. I think it should be even more. It all depends on what's going to happen to the crypto space. So if we are in a bull run, maybe we can go even more, but it all depends. For now, what I'm seeing here is that we are pretty much okay, that we are gonna stabilize here probably. Like I'm feeling we're gonna have some stabilization. We have to have some stabilization because for the last couple of days we have been going up. Like 40% increase needs to have a stabilization. That's a lot of increase here for these big coins. So Ethereum also, you can just see how many times Ethereum here got rejected. Because of that rejection, we're gonna get destroyed. You have to go have some correction. We have to go down for our side to go down also. So what I'm feeling is that basically it should be going down all the way to this level, maybe a little bit lower, but I think this level is going to be pretty much okay. Stabilize right over there, making the RSI going down, stabilization, exact same thing here. So going down, making the RSI go down, stabilization, boom, stabilization, and then hopefully continuing to go up even more. I think this is the best scenario that can happen here to XRP for it to continue to go up later on. Because right now, if we do break to the top side, the problem is like all the indicators are showing us that we're overbought, and we're gonna see that rejection here. Now it's not gonna be a huge rejection. Only if somehow Bitcoin is able to break through, then I'm feeling like every single coin here will be able to break through and continue to go up. But if Bitcoin gets rejected right now, you have to watch a Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin gets rejected right now, if we do go down, basically what's going to happen is that all the coins will go down. But if Bitcoin breaks this low, breaks the 46,000 area, all the coins will be able to go up. Like all the coins are going to break through because it's going to be a huge indicator. It's time to buy, guys. It's time to just continue to go up. We're going to see massive movements in the market. We're all going to continue to go up. So we're going to see what's going to happen here by the end of the day. I'm super interested to see what's going to happen, but still pretty much bullish in the end. I'm still thinking that Bitcoin will reach at least its all-time high and it's going to continue to go up. Maybe right now we're going to see that correction. Also here for Cardano. Cardano has to have the correction. We've been going too much up right now. You could have just saw the RSI. Like, look at that RSI, just super overbought. Super overbought. Correction imminent. So huge correction. Also here, like I said, we're going to see either a correction or massive pump. So either short-term correction or a massive pump here for all the coins actually. So yeah, pretty excited for the future of crypto. What do you guys think? What are your future price predictions for XRP? What's going to happen here for the crypto market? Are you guys bullish or bearish right now for crypto? In the end, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. If you do want to buy these coins, please do your own research first. If you did enjoy this video, it means so much to me. If you can like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.